Did you know that 1 in 5 drivers experience incidents when their car is parked? What if you could capture every moment, even when you're not behind the wheel? Introducing the Nextbase 622GW dashcam, an advanced dashcam designed to offer more than just basic recording. Welcome to Autovated. Today we're diving into the Nextbase 622GW dashcam, a cutting-edge device that promises ultra-high-definition 4K recording, seamless connectivity, and unique features like Alexa integration and image stabilization. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Nextbase 622GW dashcam offers a range of impressive features aimed at providing peace of mind, whether you're driving or parked. It captures stunning 4K UHD footage at 30 FPS, ensuring you get crystal clear recordings with every detail, perfect for capturing license plates and other important moments. With a wide 140-degree viewing angle, you won't miss a thing. One of the standout features of this dashcam is the digital image stabilization, which helps smooth out footage, even on bumpy roads or in poor weather conditions. If you've ever struggled with shaky video footage, this system will make a significant difference. Plus, with the extreme weather mode, you can count on clear footage even in foggy or rainy conditions, a feature that can be a lifesaver during unpredictable weather. Let's talk about convenience. The 622GW offers 5 GHz Wi-Fi, ensuring fast transfers of your footage to your smartphone. No more waiting for long download times, just quick, hassle-free access to your recordings. And with a built-in 64GB microSD card, you've got plenty of storage for your recordings without having to worry about running out of space. But that's not all. This dashcam also includes Alexa integration, allowing you to control the camera with simple voice commands. You can play music, get directions, or even control smart devices, all hands-free, so you can focus on driving safely. On the security front, the intelligent parking mode is a game-changer. This feature detects movement or impact when your car is parked and automatically records incidents. If you've ever worried about potential damage to your vehicle when you're not around, this dashcam has you covered. Now, let's balance things out with the pros and cons. Pros: 4K UHD recording provides superior clarity. Digital image stabilization ensures smooth footage in all conditions. Built-in Alexa and voice control for hands-free convenience. Intelligent parking mode offers added security for your vehicle when parked. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quick footage transfer. Cons: installation can be tricky for first-timers, especially for hardwiring into your car's power system. Battery life could be better when using features like Wi-Fi or parking mode. When it comes to value for money, the Nextbase 622GW dashcam certainly delivers, especially considering the high-quality video, advanced features, and included storage. While it may be on the pricier side, the features like Alexa and intelligent parking mode make it a solid investment for those seeking top-tier dashcam technology. Compared to other dashcams in the market, like the Vantru N4 or the Thinkware U1000, the Nextbase 622GW shines with its built-in Alexa and smoother video quality. But it might fall short in terms of installation ease and battery efficiency. If you're looking for ease of setup, a different model might be better for you. So, who is the Nextbase 622GW dashcam best suited for? If you're a commuter, road tripper, or someone who values advanced security features for your vehicle, this dashcam is a strong contender. However, if you're on a tight budget or don't need the extra features like Alexa, you might want to look at more affordable options. In conclusion, the Nextbase 622GW dashcam is a strong option if you value clear 4K recordings, intelligent parking mode, and seamless integration with Alexa. It's perfect for those who want both high-quality footage and convenience on the road. If this breakdown was helpful and you want to stay up to date with the latest product reviews, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching, and remember, links to the products mentioned are in the description below. If you've already tried the Nextbase 622GW or have any questions, drop a comment and let us know what you think. Until next time, drive safely and stay automated.